So the question is, what is a shoulder replacement? This is a reverse shoulder replacement. And so what any replacement does is it replaces the patient's anatomy with implants. Those implants in this situation is this small short stem that we place where the ball used to be, or the humeral head. That now has a polyethylene or plastic socket to it. And then on the socket side, and this is a picture of the shoulder blade or the scapula, and this part is the socket or the glenoid, and onto that is affixed this base plate, which is, you can see through this acrylic model screwed into position with this ball. And so these two marry together to replace someone's shoulder, and that allows them then to bring their arm forward, achieve activities of daily living, and resolves their discomfort and pain complaints around the replacement or the arthritic shoulder condition.